And it's so important to enhance quality of life, and all these things enable me to do that every day, as well as my clients. And so this is really Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and it's one of my favorite activities of the month, and that is the doTERRA LRP unboxing for May. That's right. And this is a great opportunity to enjoy what I call Christmas in a box, and many others probably call it that too. But yeah, it's fun. And I have my scissors, my recycling container, and let's just get started with today's unboxing. All right, so I'm just gonna open her up. There we go. Pretty easy. Oops, hello. All right, so let's turn it this way so it's a little bit easier to see. There we go. So we have the bubble wrap, which we're not going to pop this time. And we're just going to cover what I got. All right, so let's start off with, okay, so I did use some points this month. Actually a decent amount, like almost 150 points. It's basically like $150 in free products. So let's just get started with what I did get. All right, so I got the VShape, which is the protein powder vegan from doTERRA, and I use this as a part of my green smoothies. And I encourage everyone, especially my clients, to do the 30-day green smoothie challenge, which will support your energy, digestion, and weight management goals. And it's always important to use a recipe. Don't just go freestyling it. Whew, let me tell you. All right, so we're just gonna put this off to the side. I did get 2 of them because I like to not run out, and I'm actually almost running out on both of them. So boom, got that. And then the other thing that I got as a part of my wellness lifestyle is I got the vegan version of the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't have more energy and vitality after taking all these of 30 days, you can get a full refund. So it's zero risk in that regard. And then let's talk about each one. So I have the Vegan Microplex VMZ. This is a whole food multivitamin and mineral supplement to fill in the gap from what you don't get from your food. And even if you eat healthy, it's so important to supplement because, you know, the saying, you are what you eat, but the better saying is you are what you absorb. On top of that, our soils are so depleted, so our food is not getting enough of those nutrients. And when we eat cooked foods, it destroys the nutrients as well. So cooked foods, soil depletion, as well as just not eating enough fruits and vegetables. And this is going to be very key in supplementing all of that. And I take that every day. And then we have the Offal CRS Plus. This is the cellular vitality complex. This is going to support your mitochondria, which are like the little, engines or energy centers of your red blood cells. And you have 70 to 90 billion plus red blood cells. So it's so important to help them on a cellular level without sugar, without caffeine, but in a natural way with plant-based botanicals and extracts. And I use this every day as well. And I have videos that cover more details about the benefits and uses of these products, so you can check those out, but kind of like an overview basically. And then the VOmega, there's also an XEomega. So the VOmega is the vegan version, and this is omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids to support your brain, your joint, your muscle health, as well as 9 different essential oils, which are, here we go, clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile. And this is really great to use. So these are like my 3 amigos or 3 amigas, okay? And that supports my wellness lifestyle. So we're gonna take this box right now, open it, and recycle it, because that's how we roll. That's how we roll. Next, what we have is I got 2 of the OnGuard Toothpaste because I was running out, and somebody had actually bought one off of me retail plus taxes because they're not a wholesale member. And that's what I did. And so I got 2 of them because I'm running out of my own, and then I sold another one. I like to have a backup. And then every once in a while, sometimes once a week or once every 2 weeks, I'll put some OnGuard oil on my electric toothbrush with a pea-sized amount of this. And it's like a mouthwash and toothpaste, oral experience that really just supports the immune system and feels very clean afterwards. I really like that experience. It's nice. So boom, there we go. I'm gonna just put this stuff kind of off to the side. I do have lemon and peppermint here, which I use just to kind of get right as I'm unboxing everything, which we'll do right now. So peppermint, I'm just gonna take a lick here. It's called peppermint lick. Well, there we go. All right, we're gonna put those off to the side there. Next, we're gonna talk about the enzymes. So I got the TerraZyme enzymes, 10 different digestive enzymes to break down proteins, fats, carbs, sugars. Any cooked foods, you're gonna wanna use these. And the rule of thumb is if your meal is 100% cooked, then 3 of these is gonna be beneficial, at least 30 minutes before, so it kind of lays a bed of enzymes and then the food goes on top. And then if your meal is 2/3 cooked, take 2 of these capsules. And then if your meal is 1/3 cooked, then you take 1 of the capsules. And if your meal is 100% raw, like a green smoothie or a salad, I still take them sometimes just to kind of clean out what was in there before. And you know, as we age, our ability to produce enzymes, specifically digestive enzymes, goes down. So it's so important to make sure that we set ourselves up for success on a daily basis before that happens with these. And I got 2 of these because I don't like to run out. I like to have a nice little safety stock, you know, on stuff. So, all right, so we're just gonna move some stuff around here. Boom, there we go. Okay, next we have the MytoMax, and this is the like cousin of the Offal CRS Plus. I use them all because I want to have natural forms of energy without sugar, without caffeine. I don't do energy drinks, I don't do coffee. I do natural supplements that help me on a cellular level, and this is called the MytoMax because it helps your mitochondrial function, which again is like the little engines or energy centers of your red blood cells, and it's so important to make sure that we're doing so with natural plant-based extracts and botanicals. And so this is a part of, I have like a little capsule holder, you might have seen in my other unboxings, so I put those in there as well. And then with the Lifelong Vitality Pack, it's 2 of these in the morning, 2 of these at night. For this one, that's repeated. And then this one's just 1 in the morning, and I'd say 1 in the afternoon, not evening, because you know you want the energy like after lunch, not after dinner. and then I already told you how to use these, so we're good on that. And then the next thing is the probiotics. So these are also have prebiotics, which feed the probiotics, and then it's double encapsulated to make sure it can pass through your stomach acid layer and get to the right place in your digestive tract to deposit over 6 billion individual microorganisms. And that's going to be very important because those help support your immune system and help you break down the nutrients too, because they got to eat too, you know, and you want a 10-to-1 ratio of good guys to bad guys in the gut, and this is what's up. There we go. All right, so we're going to put that over here. Boom. We're running out of space. Okay, let's move this over a little bit, like so. All right, and then we have the GX Assist. So this is what I use when I'm feeling under the weather or people around me are under the weather. I'm going to use this for 10 days. In place of other traditional options that I used to do that are synthetic. We don't use those anymore, so I use the GX Assist because this has oregano, melaleuca, lemon, lemongrass, peppermint, and thyme essential oils, and this is really powerful. It's kind of like going to the bar and just kind of spraying everyone with mace that's a bad guy, and then they just want to run out there and get out of your body, and that's kind of what's going on here, but with essential oils instead. And then you want to follow that up with the 10 days of the probiotics when you're under the weather. So this is more of a part of like, hey, I'm not feeling too well. There's a regimen, a specific protocol, which I cover with my clients. And then I use these normally, but I stop using these when I'm using these. All right, so like I said, it's a whole protocol, and it's important to make sure to use them correctly so you get the most benefits out of it. But that's more of a class topic. Again, this is just overview. All right, so let's cover the oils that I got as well. So we got 2 wild oranges, because I'll be running out, that's why. And I use these for shipping samples sometimes, so I keep these sticky bubble wraps. So wild orange, great for, you know, I use these in my green smoothies. I use these to clean my hands, clean surfaces, and it's amazing. Supports your liver, your kidneys, your bladder, your lymphatic system. Overall amazing. And then we have wild orange's cousin, basically another citrus oil, which is lemon. So similar benefits, but I use these so much too. Like I use them so much. Yeah, there we go. All right, so 2 of those because I was running out. And then we got some other oils. We have the Cypress, which was the product of the month. So any 125-point order, which is roughly $125 plus taxes and shipping, gives the product of the month, which is usually $10 to $15 in value. But yeah, Cypress was this month, and I will use this on my shower walls or in my diffuser to support a lot of different things. But that's how I like to use the product of the month oils in general. But if it's an oil that I use every day in other ways, then I will as well. And so that's kind of like a rule of thumb. If you're not sure immediately how to use it, just use it for aromatherapy in your shower. So boom, there you go, or in your diffuser. And then peppermint, another staple, gotta use that, so important. Supports alertness, digestion, freshens breath, gotta use it all the time. I just use it obviously earlier too, so that's a brand new one, but yeah. All right, and so I got my orders here, so I can see that. And then, what else we got? There we go. So it's talking about Healing Hands, which is doTERRA's nonprofit organization. So really support that as well. This month I used almost 150 product credits to get some free stuff, and I've basically moved those forward so you can see. And so I got this month for free the Peppermint, because product credits, and then both the lemon oils for free, both the wild oranges for free, the GX Assist for free, the MytoMax for free, as well as both of these OnGuard Toothpaste for free. And then I got the Cypress oil for free as a part of the free product of the month. Oops, there we go. Getting excited there. All right, so these are the only things I paid for that are hanging behind. So the Lifelong Vitality, the enzymes, the VShape, and the, you can't see it here maybe, and then just boom, boom, there we go. And then the VShape, probiotics, enzymes, Lifelong Vitality pack is what I paid for. All this stuff to the left I got for free. So the doTERRA LRP program is a great way for me to maintain a wellness lifestyle, because what I did to get well, I do to stay well. And when my health starts to get a little bit whoa, I gotta do stuff to maintain that wellness so that I can feel more empowered with my health and really handle and then go for whatever the root cause is what I'm going through. And so I like these because there's no side effects, there's no resistance buildup. I'm helping my body on a cellular level. It's so important to enhance quality of life, and all these things enable me to do that every day, as well as my clients. And so this is really the game changer for me and why I love using these products every single day. And that's so important. My goal for my clients is to make sure this stuff doesn't, collect dust in the box it came in or wherever it's at. I put these products in places where I can't help but use them, in my bathroom, in my kitchen, my living room, my health cabinet, everywhere, so that I can't help but use them. And then I have to make sure that I understand how to use them properly so that I can make sure I get the maximum benefits, which I do each month from a free standpoint, so financial, but also from a health standpoint. And that's physical health, that's emotional health, that's mental health, and all of that stuff. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.